Welcome! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change password on Gmail account. So, if you are using Android or iPhone, don't worry because the process is the same. So go ahead and watch this video if you want to know how I did it, okay? So first of all, you want to open your Gmail app and then you want to click on these three little lines on the upper left side of your screen. Then after that, go ahead and click settings, and then here you want to click on your email address or your account, okay? And then go ahead and click your info, privacy and security, and then choose security. And then here you can see your password, so go ahead and click your password, then just wait. So here, you just need to enter your current password, okay? Then after you type it, just click on next, and then Google will let you type your new password, and then you need to confirm it, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.